The art of thinking creatively. This book by Rod Judkins, I read this, I believe, about 3-4 years ago, something like that. And it actually helped me understand why it's important to think outside of the box, being creative, and actually having a system behind that. Because we live in a society where everything is done a particular way, and the norm is to do it that same way. Because human beings, we are all creatures of habits. And once we form that habit, it's very difficult to change that habit. So this month is all about, as a business owner, how to think creatively, how to think outside of the box so that you don't fall into the habits that doesn't grow your business. Hopefully that's your purpose. So the reason why I've decided to focus on this month, this is the way I do a lot of my things, but I wanted to do that this month because the crisis that the whole world is in right now requires everyone to stay calm and to stay positive and to continue to think creatively, because the truth is we wouldn't be here this same crisis mode in the next year or two. Hopefully not. But what if we are? What do we do? So it's paramount that you force your mind to start thinking differently in a positive way, not in a negative way. And to do that, I would recommend this book. I'm not affiliated to the book in any way. I just suggest that you read it. At least read some of the chapters to help you understand why you need to start thinking creatively. Enjoy.